Hey everyone, it's Mercedes, and I'm here to talk about my cover letter review. So for this assignment, I interviewed my mom, who is an executive assistant, my aunt, who is a construction base manager, and a high school friend, who is a base manager at a local helicopter company. So my mom said it needs to be short, sweet, and to the point with no errors. My aunt said it needs to be one that makes the reader want to meet you in person, with a sprinkle of enthusiasm and a touch of wit. My high school friend said to keep it personable, but also very professional, and he wants to know what that person can give him that no other candidate can. So the 5 characteristics of an exceptional cover letter that I've found are that it needs to be professional, but not too professional that it loses what makes you, you. No fluff, so keep it to the point. Stay consistent in the layout and in your writing. It needs to be engaging and personable and have absolutely no errors in the grammar. Thanks!